Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mazda 3. It absolutely is in stunning condition. Doesn't look like anything like its age or mileage. It's in beautiful metallic red, alloy wheels, bodywork's in lovely condition. Got privacy glass to the rear park distance control, twin exhausts. Look at that gleaming. Boot area is in lovely condition. Very spacious in the back with the back seats there. Electric windows, electric mirrors. No wear at all on the seats. It's got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, park distance control. There. Got satellite navigation. 3-stage heated seats, climate control, 6-speed gearbox. It's in lovely condition. To 99,105 miles. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.